You've seen one of these before. It's a slate. It's from a shoot I did, I think last summer. And I've had to blur out some of the information, but some of the information I can leave on there for you. And I want to draw your attention to the fact that the primary information on this particular tool is written in pen. Yeah, that's right. In an industry where we will spend $100,000 on a camera, no problem, we're still using pens. Fact is, for this particular purpose, a pen is exactly the right tool. The information on this slate changes all the time. It needs to change at a moment's notice. Easiest way to do that? Have a pen ready. Except wait a second, nobody ever has a pen ready. How does this guy who holds this slate for a living always have a pen when he needs it? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today in this video. So if you want to find out, stay tuned till the end. For now, let's get going. So I told you it's simple. It's really simple. You just take a slate, you flip it over to the other side, and you can see the answer. 2 words, sticky Velcro. Usually you put soft Velcro on the pen because it's going to go in your hand. You're going to write with it. You don't want the hard stuff on there. That's going to hurt. So you put the hard stuff on the slate and the soft stuff on the pen. Wham! You always have a pen. It's always connected to the slate. If you lose the slate, well, I can't help you there. But you're never going to lose the pen as long as you got the slate. Why am I showing you this trick? You don't have to work in the film industry to need a pen sometimes. I know the pen is dead. I know everybody writes notes in their laptops or their iPads or whatever. But occasionally, admit it, you use a pen. And when you need one, it's never there. It's not that hard to put a little Velcro on the front of your notebook. You can even cut it artfully into a little circle if you want. Velcro on the shaft of the pen, boom. You can do this on the fridge. You can do this in your vehicle. I mean, there's always been a problem with trying to find a pen back in the day when people used them to sign checks or contracts or any of the things we don't do anymore. Even back then, people couldn't find the pen when they needed it. These days, people barely use pens at all. So there's so few around, when you need one, you can never find one. You can find 8 chargers for your cell phone. You can never find a pen. So I'm passing this trick on to you in case it helps. Hope it does. And if it does, you know what's coming next. Please feel free to like or subscribe because liking and subscribing can really help a channel. And if you could do that for this channel, I'd really appreciate it. And otherwise, as always, take care, stay safe, have fun with your DIY projects, try not to lose that pen, and I'll see you next Saturday.